In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Drive as your WordPress media library. This simple setup process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll have a seamless way to manage your media effortlessly. Let's start by going to wordpress.com, head over to your browser and type in the URL, or simply click on the link if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're there, locate the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. Once on the login screen, you'll have a few options to access your WordPress account. For today, we're going with Continue with Google. This option lets you sign in quickly using your existing Google account, saving you time and additional steps. When prompted, select the Google account that you want to link to your WordPress account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you prefer for handling your media content. Now that you're logged in, we'll need to navigate to the Tools section of your WordPress dashboard. At the top of the page, you may find a menu option labeled Tools. Click on it. This section of your dashboard is where you can manage your various site connections and plugins, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. Next, we want to focus on the connections area within Tools. This is where you'll be able to integrate different services with your WordPress site. After clicking on Connections, scroll down until you find Google Drive at the bottom of the list. Google Drive is what will allow us to store and manage our media files directly through WordPress seamlessly. Once you've found Google Drive, click on it. You'll be presented with an option that says Connect. Click on this button and you'll be directed to choose your Google account once more. This action will link your Google Drive to your WordPress account. Ensure that you select the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts, to avoid any complications or confusion later. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've connected Google Drive to your WordPress media library. Now you can easily manage your media files, keep them organized, and ensure they're readily available whenever you need to use them in your WordPress site. Remember, having your media on Google Drive reduces load times on your site and gives you more flexibility in how you store and manage your content. If you ever need to verify your connection or make adjustments, just return to the Tools section and check your connections. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy blogging.